Okay. Hi, everybody. My name is Eddie. I'm doing this because I want to document my journey. I'm taking a coding boot camp, and hopefully, in some time from now, I'll have a coding job. And hopefully, this video will help some of you guys. Uh, Basically, I'm starting this coding career while having a pretty well paying job, but I want to change. I'm not happy and I'm really stressed. And I've always been really interested in finding out how to code. I've been listening to a bunch of podcasts and I go on YouTube videos, and it just seems like something I want. Um, why am I doing this? Basically, I started in my career. I was working at a weed shop in 2018, and one of my friends decided to start applying to Indeed. He started applying with my uh, qualifications and started getting a lot of callbacks. And so I was like, you know what? I'm going to apply with my own qualifications, see what I get. One day, a fire company hit me up, and they're really cool. I had no experience, and they just took me in. I learned how to fix up fire alarms. I learned how to deal with fire extinguishers. I got some certifications, and it was pretty cool. I stayed there for like 2 years, and something was missing. I started getting bored really, really quick. Before this, I was going to college here and there. I dropped out of one school district and went into another one so I didn't have to pay anything back, and really wasn't going anywhere. While I was going to school, though, I was in computer science. I was doing pretty decently. I made it all the way up to like calculus 2, and then I got hired at this fire job. Kind of dropped everything and just decided to follow it, see where it took me. Now it's 2021. It's been like 3 years or so, and every 3 months after that, I started quitting and getting a new fire job. Each time I'd get a new job, I'd ask for $3 more. Right now, I'm basically at like $30 an hour. I had like 5 fire jobs, and through it all, I realized I don't like manual labor. I really don't like manual labor. It's really good money, and I have a lot of friends that are doing really good in this right now, but it's just not for me. Uh, I'm not happy at all. So one day I decided uh, to join a coding boot camp. I was looking at a bunch of things, and I needed something that I can go to school for, but still pay the rent, you know? So I came across New Camp, and New Camp was pretty cool because you could do their entire schooling while you were going to school. You have to spend like a couple hours every day after work and do like a workshop from like 9 to 1 on Saturdays. And so it seemed pretty doable. Right now, I want to say 3 months in. I did the full stack course, and I started off really strong. I did the HTML, JavaScript, CSS course, and I passed that. Shout out to Patrick Finezo. He was a really cool teacher. If you guys ever come across him, he's super cool. Uh, but then my job started getting crazy. I started having just all the 4 a.m. shifts, uh, 13-hour days, driving 4 hours away there and back, and I started getting really exhausted. I stopped. I just kind of stopped. I feel like a failure, and I just depression sank in. I didn't even want to wake up anymore. Um, Depression's a bitch, man. Depression's a I probably gotta bleep that out, but um, in this, I realized I have to focus. I have to 100% focus and give my all to the coding thing if that's what I really want. And so day by day, I'm kind of starting to realize I have to leave this fire job. I've just got to jump into this coding thing if I really want to. It's been almost a month now, and I haven't even touched my studies. I haven't even gone into the class. I fell behind, and I feel like such a loser. Um, but you can't give up. You can't give up. I've taken a couple days off work. That's why I'm starting this video, and I've just been cramming. I'm going to try to catch up this month, do 1 week a day, and hopefully at the end of this week, I'll catch up. Give you an update to that. I want this coding thing because it has a lot of opportunity. I want to work from home. I want to have enough money to afford going to the dentist and the doctor. I want to have days off so that I can enjoy my time with my loved ones, you know? I'm tired of being a cog in the machine. I don't want to work every day, all day. I was coming home, getting maybe 3 hours before I had to go back to sleep and start the day over again. And that is not enough time to study. 3 hours exhausted is not enough time to study. More power to you if you can do it, but I am not one of those people. I need some downtime. That being said, I see a lot of these videos, and a lot of these people are so hardcore, man. Props to you guys. You guys are super tough to be able to do all of this and not let depression sink in, but I am not one of those people. So again, hopefully my video will help other people that don't really have that monster machine work ethic. So yeah, the coding boot camp, I came in, like I was saying, I went to school for maybe like 2 years on and off, and I was in computer science. I know somewhat, like, I know the basics of computers, you know. I can build my computer. I'm clearly making a video right now, but there's not that much. I don't know that much. I'm basically going into this blind. So we'll see where I am in a couple of months. My job now is, like I said, it's pretty tough. It's manual labor. I wake up with my hands hurting. I can't use my thumbs some days, and I just don't see that long term. I've only been in this 3 years, and I'm so tired of it. There's no way I'm gonna last. I was built to use my noodle. I can use my hands, but I'm dead. I need sleep. I can't do this anymore. The way it is now, like I said, I'm trying to catch up. I'm behind like a full month. And I'm trying to catch up within this week. And the plans for the future are, I gotta quit this job. I gotta quit this job and find some other alternative for money, because I still gotta pay the rent. I actually am really lucky. I used to be an actor, and in 2018 I stopped acting to do this coding, or to do the fire job, and then COVID hit. I should have been kicked out of the union. Oh yeah, I'm a union actor also, apparently. I should have been kicked out, but I got really lucky, and I don't have to pay back any union dues, which are like almost $1,000 right now. I don't have to pay anything back until April, so that's pretty sweet. I'm gonna look into that. I'm gonna go back to acting, see if I float by on that. I'll get some whatever jobs, and basically I need something more peaceful. I need something with more time. I need something much more peaceful. So yeah, that's video number 1. It's really just kind of like a test, so I'm pretty sure nobody's watching. Again, hopefully nobody's watching, and I'll keep myself updated, essentially. See you next time, Eddie. Oh, I'm Eddie.